Ngathi-ke ithuba elikahle kakhulu leli lokuthi ngisukume ngisho ukuthi I 100% support Comrade SG uNomvalo kwi-statement asenzile in relation to our foreign policy on the illegal migrants okufikeni kwabantu base-Africa ngokungenamvumo eSouth Africa. It is important time now because kunabantu abaphikisanayo nakushilo abanye babo bathi hayi cha siyaphoxeka thina ukuthi MK uthathe le position. Ngizoyichaza ngale position i-understand kahle ngoba cishe abanye bakhuluma out of confusion la abamzwanga SGT. SG usho into eyintathu esemqoka. Uthi 1, abantu abequcinga bafike ngakho emthethweni ababanjwe beboshwe. Ngokuhlonishwa komthetho eSouth Africa akho umuntu ofafike ngakho emthethweni eSouth Africa nathi masiya kwamanye amazwe siphatha ama documents adingakalayo. No country should be a banana republic. Point 1 now, 1 of 3 points he made. And mawungahlala point 1 uzovuma nawe ukuthi khona abangayithandi kwalo point. Kukhona bathi hayi baboshwelani, hey mhlambe la basuka khona kunezimpi. No. If unezimpi la ukhona uyafaka icelo asylum seeking what call permission ukuthi uyohlala kwelinye izwe ngokusemthethweni. Alikho izwe fele bebanana republic bafethu singakhohlisana. Ngisho ngathiwa sibathanda kanjani nami nje ngibakhonzile. Nginezinto eziningi mabe khona nami I can relate to them, you know. But gcina kwelanga izwe fele benomthetho. So no one should be in South Africa illegally. Let's draw the line. Let's not confuse ourselves on that one. 2, what he says kodwa labo abala ngokusemthethweni, which means ama documents banawo bangena beqe border through border gate. Kuyaziwa abala kuyaziwa bazokwenzani. He's correct. Akufanele labo behujwe because some of those people, comrades, asikhuluma iqiniso, they could be the international investors. They could be white in color, some they could be black in color. Beke ngokusemthethweni baziyo bazoqala amabhizinisi eSouth Africa asemthethweni bazoqasha abantu becreate imisebenzi or bazohlala beyiphilele leso sikhathi abazohlala bese bebuyela emazweni abo. Awungabuyela ezweni lakhe se-expire permit yakhe, law is a different case. Law must be arrested like those who came without permission. He's very clear there uNomvalo. Abalanga ngosemthethweni bafowethu, some of them could be called international investors. Futhi sobathanda abasebenzi kanjalo bakhona abafaka ekhanda ozayo ongezile ukuzo investor akaxoshwe yena. Izwe njalo ningayiphatha kanjalo. Akubuxoki inloko ukhetha abantu ngamandla banawo. Cha, ngeke. Olanga ngosemthethweni bafowethu ezokwenza akushilo sikhathi ecela ipermission yokuthi eze ngala. Uhujwelana lo muntu. If sithi akahujwe sithi abamnyama kuphela na noma sithi nabamhlophe ngisho ukuthi bainvestile bakha amabhizinisi abo naba bahujwe. What are we saying? Point yesithathu nokugcina yenzayo uNomvalo uthi when it comes to job we need to prioritize the South Africans. So kusho ukuthini ngisho ngathi ufike ngosemthethweni, but we can't be taking you and employing you while there are many South Africans ahleli phansi anama skills angaphezulu noma afana nawakho. We can't be doing that. We only employ them when they are providing lokuthiwa banama special skills, you know, esingenawo noma esinawo kodwa ayingcosana kodwa futhi akekho eSouth Africa ongaqashiwe nalawo ma skills. So those 3 points should cover everyone. And that's why I'm saying I find what he has stated very well balanced, comprehensive and considerate. Ngongekho emthethweni ababoshwe, abalanga semthethweni abangaboshwa, abayeke benza ibhizinisi abashilo bazolenza. Kufika isikhathi sibehambe njengoba nathi senza kwamanye amazwe. Njengoba wonke amazwe omhlaba enza, alikho izwe elilabantu balo kuphela. Each and every country mawungahamba nje manje eAfrica nje, qala Africa, you'll find all nations in one country, including South Africans. So ola ngokusemthethweni bafowethu ayikho into singathi simlusela yona. Asingavumeli ama-extremist ideas ukuthi characterize South Africa. And thirdly, as prioritize ama-South Africans when it comes to imisebenzi. Imisebenzi ayinika ama-South Africans first. Kungaqashwa ngaphandle ngamakhono angathi ishu nathi esinawo. Akukho right lokho sokubulaliswa. So those are the 3 points Nomvalo made. So on what ground, comrades, we could say uNomvalo is wrong kumbe i-MK party ngoba abekusho phela be-articulator i-policy position ye-MK party. I-wrong ngephi? Sifuna uhutshwe nanabantu abalanga ngosemthethweni? If bengama-investors beqasha abantu abamnyama mhlawumbe ba-100 ayiphele lo msebenzi. ngoba phela ukuba ihujwa bayothatha into zakhe ahambe nazo sithini sitha hujwa umuntu ohlele eSouth Africa ongenzi crime ongenzi lutho sitha hujweleni sithini ngabe yethu abase South Africa abakwamanye amazwe ase-Africa and other countries perhaps in Europe, America or wherever sithini ngapha sinaba bahujwa lapha ebuye beze la bafethu siphusha i-revolution la i-revolution ifuna ube honest ifuna uwenze izinto with clear insight and don't be misled by malevolent intentions and interest abantu who are wrong themselves isho bathatha bayibeka ama-positions la they will mess up South Africa like they're messing it up now. So I want to say I fully support the SG and I must say this to you guys, ayikho i-society la South Africa kumbe ayikho i-society la emhlabeni ongayithola ivumelana ngento eyodwa yonke. It's natural kwi-society ukuthi imbono ethu izongafani, therefore kusemqoka sikwazi ukulalelana sirizine to what the other is saying and be able to be more informed when we disagree or agree with them. Abantu abaye ngenxanye bengamazi izulu siyasho, so nayo nto eshiwo noMvalo ngeke siyithande sonke, but if you reason you do see that what he's saying makes sense and is correct. Ngithi-ke angiphawule ngoba kusho ukuthi bekuzobe kugwala nalokuba i-counter revolutionary for me ukuthi ngifake umsila phakathi kwemlenze ngicashe ngoba sekukhona abaphikisana noMvalo kwi-statement sakhe. No, revolutionaries don't behave like that. You come out and you articulate your position at a personal level so that you also take the fire that comes with the right discourse that we are supporting. I'm coming out, I'm adding myself behind Unomvalo. I'm doing this because I know he's correct and that's the only way you can run the country. You can't run the country by being an extremist who doesn't reason to reality.
About the foreigners, here is the position. When you say undocumented foreigners, you are talking about people who have broken the law. So how can you protect such people? Those people must be arrested. Even when our comrades were in exile, they were known by the government of those countries that they are within the country, even though they were operating underground. So you can't say, undocumented foreigners are correct. It means we are not taking seriously the laws that are in place. The fact that there is a law that says if you are undocumented, you have broken the law. Yeah. That means if you are undocumented, you must be arrested. That is the position of the MK party. But if you are documented in South Africa, then there is no need for us to chase you because you are documented to be here in South Africa. You know you are known by the government. It's the law that allows you to be here. But with regards to job opportunities, the first preference must be given to South Africans because you can't give the first preference to a foreigner while they are prevalent, catastrophic socio-economic, socio-economic conditions which are currently engulfing our people, and you want to prioritize a foreign national. Even if the foreign national is documented, but he must never be given, special recognition when it comes to job opportunities. Yeah. It must be given to a South African. So that is a summary of our position. I was going to expand if we had time, but we don't have time.
Yeah, we're trying to push it a little bit, so we're going to give I just have to apologize to our guests that we...
So, ngiyabona, there are different interpretations over into eshiwo noMvalo unobhala we-MK. But to my view, this is my view. Ayikho into wrong eshiwo uNomvalo. Ayikho into wrong. Asinga-endaphi sesiyithola sizonda nje any
lelinye ilanga abantu bakithi kuyofa isivumo ukuthi silimele bantu abamnyama. Safike sahlukunyezwa amabhunu as early as 1652 kufika uJan van Riebeeck la South Africa. Phelile manje iminyaka 400 noma siyahlangana sahlukunyezwa amabhunu namaNgisi ngokubambisana azosiphuca usiko lethu nobuntu kithi asifundisa ukuthi sizimfene asazi lutho asinayo inkolo singama renegade nje, into engena soul, izinto ezingena value. We are not human beings. Umsebenzi wamabhulu namangiso ngobambisana, basikhahlela, basirape, basiphuca umhlaba, basibeketula nje, basixikoxa nje, basipikota, babanoqabokoso ongalwazi. Siyahlukumeza kanjalo. Hawu saya ngokulwa kancane kwafika lo 1994 uNelson Mandela. Sathi hawu peace in our land. Hawu sesine peace manje, hawu sesi free. Kwangena iqembu kuthiwa iAfrican National Congress emandleni kahulumeni. Langena leli qembu sathi hawu i-development years maye kwantshontshwa ezingeni ongalazi, kwathathwa imali, kwafundisa ingane zethu imkhuba, kwenziwa yonke into nje ebolile. Kwaphendulwa ifundiswa ama-chartered accountant, abameli baphendulwa izigebengu. Kwathathwa abantu abahluphekile baphendulwa osomabhizinisi abangekho okufanele nje beprocess imali ziye kulezi ikhulu zikakhongolose. Labola izwe, kwabola iy'kole, kwabola imigwaqo, kwabola ama-police station, kwabola iy'bhedlela, kwabola ama-department asemqoka njengo-Department of Social Development. Kwabola yonke into, kwabola amasipala, kwaqala kwabola amadolobha, kubole ngisho amalokishi-ke manje, kubola ngisho amasabhabhu-ke manje ayabola ngaphansi ka-ANC. Khulukazi emva kwesikhathi bekhipha umsholozi emandleni, amalungelo abasebenzi abona kakhulu noma ekwazi ukondla ingane zakhe-ke manje-ke umsebenzi, even nangesikhathi samabhunu asakwazi manje ukuzondla-ke ingane zakhe, asakwazi ukufundisa ingane zakhe, kuphele nje imisebenzi-ke manje. Ukuhlukumeza kanjalo kwani komuntu omnyama. Hey, manje-ke sebevukile-ke abanye bethu bayabothi ayikho lento ka-ANC. Thina-ke sephalamende sibona nje ukubola lokhu-ke ongabonwa nombani lo kuma-Auditor General Reports. Bathi u-AXA, Auditor General South Africa, oshoyo nje ukuthi u-ANC imali uzidla kanjani. Kubona wonke ama-department ongawacabanga. Uwathatha kanjani ama-tender uwanike abangani bawo abangawazi umsebenzi, bewuhliphiza umsebenzi, bephucwe kuthiwa termination of contract, uhambe kuyonikwa elinye iqabane, lo phucwe lana uyonikwa kwenye indawo, nakhona at the same thing ngaphansi kwani kwalo ANC. Konakele manje lenkinga la emkhontweni-ke manje sithi sizama ngabusha-ke manje ukuthi how do we recover from this psychological, environmental, developmental damage. Ilana-ke ingcindezi ngenxa yeminyaka yokuhlumezeka from emabhunwini to ANC. We understand ukuthi umuntu omnyama kade ethwele kanzima, sinesikhathi sokulinda, sifuna ushintsho manje, izethembiso asazizwa, kodwa ngeke sithathe imoment bafowethu ke sithi ukubrinda kancane sibuke izinto zoba zinjalo. Ngeke kusize ngalutho ukuthi sabathe kubekwa lo ukuthi akasihole, simxikoxe, simbeke amabala, sishida akasuswe, akhishwe kubekwe lo kuthiwa akasiza sihole, naye simbambe, simxikoxe, simfake uqabakosi loxanduva akasuswe naye. Yeke siyendawo esigabeni esithize yonke fesi besobha njengomlungu. Umlungu phambi kokuba ezosigqilaza lana siphucizo lethu wadlula in a serious process of sobit. Wasobha, waplana, wastrategize ukuthi ngilidla kanjani leli zithiwa South Africa. Imapha ama-strategies efe ngiwa-apply ukudla leliyazi. Yini efe ngiyenze engqondweni yalaba abantu ukuthi bangidla izwe labo bengilekelele. Yini efe ngiyenze emqondweni yabo ukuthi noma ngathiwa khona ovelayo uza ngibakhulula bengamlaleli, beqhubeke bebuke mina njengonkulunkulu wabo. yini efekele engqondweni laba bantu laba ya ukuthi aso sonke isikhathi beyibone impilo yabo ingekho ngaphandle kwami waba sobha umlungu akazanga le chaos esiyenzayo ukuyiliberata sizodinga ukuba sobhe ezingeni lomlungu waplanayo ukuthi imiqondo yethu yenziwa kanjani singathembani singayithembi kwathina uqobo yenziwa kanjani singathembeli ku-investment sifuna edliwa manje ezodliwa kusasa hayi ngeke sifuna edliwa manje yenziwa kanjani imiqondo yethu ukuthi sithembele ekutheni khona ukuthi uyikusasa yenziwa kanjani imiqondo sithembele ukuthi umcebo ozowuthola usemandleni akho usebenze ukwazi kwakho umcebo ozowuthola yenziwa kanjani ingqondo yomuntu ukuthi iphinde ikholele ekutheni uyakwazi ukuphila ngaphandle kwe-crime iphinde ikholele ekutheni umthetho yona i-enemy umthetho is here to create order kwi-society wenza kanjani umuntu omnyama ukuthi amthembe omunye omnyama wenza kanjani umuntu omnyama ukuthi athembeke komunye omnyama angeke ke leyo serious information or that level of strategizing iyenzeke ngaphansi kwa-chaos la mavukela mbuso sawabona vuka wonke ama-community afuna kube iwona onqoshishilizi angeke asisize ngalutho ngoba iningi lawo liyabaxosha abantu abeza namakhono azosiza lo mzabalazo liyabaqofa liyabathuka ngeke luze kusiza lokho ulaka ngeke lusize bocabanga ukuthi ipolitiki kuba nolaka ukuthuka inhlamba ungalaleli ungafuni ukusebenzisana nabanye abantu kuba kuhlaza ukuthi hey wena mina ngeke usiliberate liberation ufuna isobhithi la iba sober la ekhaya ube properly organized njengoba ngakhuluma ngalinye ilanga ngathi i-transformation kumbe i-change iyokwenzeka when at least all factors of transformation are well aligned. Wema comrade eke nifundeni futhi ke nithi kugxilisisa kulento ekuthiwa i-relationship building ma-comrade buyelani kubantu enaxabana nabo in the past nangabona ngahlolinye nabo ngoba labo bantu ngiyakutshela namhlanje ngiqinisile kuwe ngithi uyobadinga ngelinye ilanga. And I'm saying this ngoba ngiyazi yona into problem njengamanje la emkhontweni. People are destroying all the bridges behind them as if they will never need them tomorrow. People are not focusing in building relationships. Aswakhe nama relationships are strong, are productive, are revolutionary. And make sure ukuthi wonke umuntu oke waphambana naye ngisho ngathiwa umthatha kancane kanjani buyela kuyena niyolungisa. And I must tell you, it's not about whether you were right or why wrong. No, it's not about that. It's about knowing that a relationship is important for us to be strong as the movement, and secondly, for us to achieve two-thirds majority that we need to really take and transform this country. Well, without two-thirds majority, you won't be able to transform anything. Sikubonile lokho u-ANC owaliye kithi ubunalo kwahamba kwafika la khona ungasenathuba khona lokhu transform. So again ubuyelene emuva uyabona nje basingamasosha nje thina first consist ukuthi while uhlasela enemy yakho kodwa before ufike kuyona nama-borders before wacrossela abelonga kwamanye ama-country. As you cross those borders alama countries ofudlule kona before ufike enemy yakho, make sure that your relationship with those countries is good and it remains in good faith. Because when you come back from the war that you are going to be fighting, whether you have lost it or you have won it, you will need to come back and cross the very same borders. Awufuni ukufika sebekulindele ukuthi hayi masebuzodlula la bephinde belwe nawe mhlawumbe namasosha akhe wasaphelile ngoba sikathi ulwimpi amanye amasosha uyawaluza. Yekani lento ukuthi hayi mina bengi-right uyena obhedile naye usho the same thing, hayi mina bengi-right uyena obhedile. So uxolo ngeke lube khona, ubumbano ngeke lube khona. Sometimes it is not about whether you were right or wrong, but it's about coming back and amend the relationship. Ngoba lo muntu ombukela phansi namhlanje sasa uyobufuna ngisho umkhotha inzwana. So ngiyacela ke amasosha omkhonto ke nifundeni futhi nithi ukugxila kulento kuthiwa relationship building. Step sokuqala, amend. Buyela kulabo axabana nabo kulawo ma-branch meetings lawo, kulawo ma-VD meetings, kulawo ma-sub-regional, regional, provincial, national meetings. Hamba uyohlelemba kabusha ubudlelwane nabo ngoba uzobadinga kusasa. I'm telling you. La nje kule revolution ezama siyiphushe sise phambili noba umtsholozi sidingana sonke akekho ngamdingi omunye. Let's go back and amend la relationships lawa swalimazile. Let's go back and build relationships so that umkhonto is stronger than yesterday. So lama divisions are not going to help us. Ingakho ngathi ngelinye ilanga, ayi comrade, sizoba nenkinga nawe mangabe njalo wena after meeting somebody usuka kuyena usuwazi uburong bakhe more than you know ubright balowo muntu. It means we have a problem with relationship building. Ngeke wona uthi umuntu ohlangana naye uhambe kuyena usumazi hayi lona uthunyiwe, hayi lona nhlanga yena umuntu right lo uyi-wrong element. Wonke umuntu hayi ngeke comrade simosho wena comrade ngeke. So umkade umuntu njalo makuhlala nabantu njalo ushiya xatshenwe ngemuva, njalo ushiya kukhona ngasazwani naye, njalo ushiya umuntu ongasangenelani naye. Uzosiza ngani emkhontweni mawunjalo? Sifuna ama-relationship builders, sifuna abantu abakwazi ukushintsha ukucabanga kwabanye abantu, sifuna umuntu okwazi ukushintsha umuntu oyinkathi amenze ibomkhonto, umuntu oshintsha umuntu oyi-ANC amenze ibomkhonto. Sibala no-DA. So wena babona i-bridge demolisher sizocross up mase sibuye empini. Ufana le abantu kade beseyikhundleni basuse emkhontweni. Bafethu la bantu should not be our automatic enemies. No man. Ngoba mhlawumbe uhlulekile nje umuntu noma uthi uthi ube right kodwa ngenxa revolution esesigabeni sokuthi akalideki asemaningi ama-confusions or bekunabantu abebemdonsela to a wrong direction or abebemfida nge-negative energy. Awusho lowo muntu lowo njalo umuntu uma sehlulekile esikhundleni sefebe enemy. We need to integrate those people back into the revolution. Those people should be our friends moving forward because from failure we learn. We learn. Those people are carrying a lot of lessons. That's why emsebenzini kuyokwenziwa ukuthi i-exit interview. Ngoma usuhamba nolwazi oluningi ufela usale thina sisele lusisize. So asibabuyisela lawo bantu singabaphendula izitha, singabaphendula amaqaqa. Ngaphandle uma ngabe ngempela likhona iphunga esilaziyo ukubona ukuthi hayi baleli liphunga abangabe sasondele embuthweni. Futhi lelo phunga akalazona wonke umuntu lingaziwa yidlanzana. Ngoba lento iyogcina siyenza nabantu abangakabekwe ekhundleni abanamakhono angasiza. Besaba ukuthi hayi ngingabekwa, wabekwa emkhontweni uphuma usuyiqaqa njalo. Ngoba abanye babo safe bebuyele ama-professions abo after umkhonto usubakhiphile esikhundleni beyosebenza. Bangama-corporate person abanye basebenza kuma-field that is afuna abantu who come with good profile. So uma umuntu sombeka esikhundleni simthanishe, simkhiphe simudala kaca ngathi usamafilingelwana noma uyisigebengu number 1. That's not the right attitude. You don't destroy the same assets you built. You know, you protect them. You know, so mna ngajabula nje ubabona abantu bakhishe ekhondleni bevela kuma-rally, bevela ama-conferences, bevela ama-meetings, besiza ukusigayida ngoba ibona sebeke bezwa ukuthi emholeni kunjani.